In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Ubisoft to Twitch. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Ubisoft on your browser and sign in to your Ubisoft Connect account. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and head over to the top right corner of your screen by clicking your profile icon. Click on Account Management and this will redirect you to your account settings. Now on your account settings, go ahead and head over to Account Information. Go ahead and click on Account Information. Scroll down and you'll be able to find the applications that you can link with your Ubisoft account. And here, look for Twitch and click on the link button to be able to link your Twitch account to your Ubisoft account. Once you go ahead and click on link, a new browser will pop up on your screen, and in here you'll need to sign in to your Twitch account to be able to approve the connection between your Ubisoft account and your Twitch account. So you need to enter your username and password to sign in to your account. And that's how you can simply connect your Twitch account to your Ubisoft account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.